Good morning to all. Today I will discuss the topic water chemistry. So first one, water technology. So what is water technology, and then what are the source of water sources, and then treatment, water treatment process. So first one, water technology. So water technology means the process of removing all type of impurities from water. That means water technology or water treatment. So water treatment means process of removing all type of impurities from water. That means water treatment. So what are the sources of water? So first one, rainwater. Second one, surface water. Third one, underground water. Fourth one, sea water. So there are four main sources of water. So our surface water means river and lake water. Underground water means well and spring water. So this figure shows the first one, rainwater. Second one, sea water. So sea water contains the salt, high salt content. So third one, this figure shows the surface water. So river water first one, and then lake water. So fourth one, underground water. So well and spring water is examples for underground water. So what are the types of water? So water, there are two types. First one, hard water. Second one, soft water. So hard water means does not produce lather with soap solution. That means hard water. So produce white precipitate. That means scum. So hard waters must contain calcium and magnesium salts. So this is hard water. So second one, soft water. So soft water produce lather with soap solution. So soft water does not contain calcium and magnesium salt. So hard water, first one, and second one, soft water. So hard water does not produce lather with soap solution. Soft water means produce lather with soap solution. Hard water contains calcium and magnesium salt. Soft water does not contain calcium and magnesium salts. So first one, soft water. Second one, hard water. So hard water does not produce lather with soap solution. It forms white scum, white precipitate. So soft water produce lather with soap solution. So next one, hardness. So hardness is the one of the property of water, property or characteristics of the water. That means hardness. So hardness means water contain calcium and magnesium salts. Hardness producing salt contain water. That means hardness. So hardness producing salt means calcium and magnesium salt. That means hardness producing salt. Calcium salt and magnesium salt producing hardness. So water containing hardness gives wine red color with EBT indicator. So water, just add the EBT indicator. EBT means stereochrome black tea indicator. So produce wine red color. That means water contain hardness. Does not produce wine red color. That means water means soft water. So do not present hardness. So that means hard water and soft water. So second one, types of hardness. Hardness, there are two types. First one, temporary hardness. Second one, permanent hardness. So first one, temporary hardness means presence of bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. So calcium, magnesium, bicarbonate salt. So first one, temporary hardness, calcium bicarbonate, and then magnesium bicarbonate. There are two salts present in temporary hardness. So temporary hardness, another name, carbonate hardness or alkaline hardness. So second one, permanent hardness. So second one, permanent hardness means presence of chloride and sulfate salt of calcium and magnesium. So that means calcium chloride and calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride and then magnesium sulfate. There are four salts present in permanent hardness: calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride and then magnesium sulfate. So then second, next, removal of hardness. So there are first one, temporary hardness removal methods. First one, boiling the water. Second one, adding the lime. So first one, boiling the water. So calcium bicarbonate, boiling. So produce calcium carbonate precipitate and then water and then carbon dioxide. So second one, adding lime. So lime means calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. So hardness producing salt, magnesium bicarbonate. So react with calcium oxide to form magnesium hydroxide precipitate. So calcium hydroxide is converted into calcium carbonate. So there are two removal process of temporary hardness. So then permanent hardness removal methods. So permanent hardness, there are two removal methods, lime soda process and then zeolite process. So lime soda means sodium bicarbonate, Na2CO3. That means lime soda process, hardness producing calcium chloride. So calcium chloride is converted into calcium carbonate precipitate. So second one, zeolite process. So zeolite means example, sodium zeolite, Na2Ze. So that means sodium zeolite. So hardness producing salt, calcium sulfate. So sodium zeolite is react with calcium sulfate to form calcium zeolite and then sodium sulfate. So there are two process removal of permanent hardness method. So first one lime soda process, second one zeolite process. So then total hardness. So total hardness is equal to temporary hardness and then permanent hardness. So temporary hardness another name carbonate hardness, permanent hardness another name non-carbonate hardness. So what are the salts present in hardness, carbonate or non-carbonate hardness? That means carbonate hardness means temporary hardness. There are two salts, calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. So permanent hardness, that means non-carbonate hardness, present the salts calcium and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. So calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate. So that means permanent hardness. So temporary hardness is added to permanent hardness, so gives total hardness. So total hardness is equal to temporary hardness and then permanent hardness. So then units of hardness. So first one ppm, units of hardness. First one ppm. ppm means parts per million. So number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent is to 10 power 6 parts of water. That means ppm. Second one milligram per liter, mg per liter. So number of milligrams of calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 liter of water. That means milligram per liter. Third one Clark's degree. So Clark's degree means number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent to 70,000 parts of water. So fourth one French degree. So French degree means number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent to 10 power 5 parts of water. So that means first one 1 ppm 10 power 6, 1 milligram per liter 1 liter of water. Clark's degree means 70,000 parts of water. French degree means 10 power 5 parts of water. So relationship between there are 4 units. 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram per liter is equal to 0.1 French degree, 0.07 Clark's degree. So then next one estimation of hardness by EDTA method. So hardness, how to estimate the EDTA method, estimation of hardness by EDTA method. So EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. There are 4 carboxylic group present in the EDTA structure. So hardness producing salt calcium and magnesium react with EBT indicator to form wine red color weak complex. Then react with EDTA to form strong EDTA complex. This is principle. So estimation of hardness by EDTA method. So next one preparation of solutions. So first one EDTA solution, second one standard hot water, fourth one EBT indicator, fifth one buffer solution. There are 4 solutions preparation of this experiment. So EDTA means 4 gram of EDTA dissolved in 1 liter of water. Standard hot water means 1 ml of standard hot water is equal to 1 milligram of calcium carbonate. So then EBT indicator and then buffer solution. So there are 4 part in experimental procedure. First one standardization of EDTA, second one estimation of total hardness, third one estimation of permanent hardness, fourth one temporary hardness. So first one estimation of standardization of EDTA. So 20 ml hot water taken in a conical flask, add 5 ml buffer and 2 to 3 drop EBT indicator. So titrate against EDTA. So to give V1 ml of EDTA. So 1 ml of EDTA consume 20 divided by V1 milligram of calcium carbonate. Second one total hardness. So same procedure as the follow. 20 ml of hot water sample taken in your conical flask, add buffer and EBT indicator. So finally find out the total hardness, 1000 into V2 by V1. So next one, permanent hardness, 20 ml of sample water. After boiling and filtering, find out the V3 ml of EDTA. So permanent hardness is equal to 1000 into V3 divided by V1 milligram of liter. So temporary hardness is equal to total hardness minus permanent hardness. So temporary hardness 1000 divided by V1 into V2 minus V3 ppm.